Well, hello! Today I'll show you how to assemble bench from Pepetools. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to add a second bench to my workshop so I could move around between the two and to have more space. I outgrew my one bench that I had, and as a separate kind of like bench I was still using IKEA kitchen trolley, and I'm still going to use it because it's excellent to store my tools and to do some jobs on it, for example hold the bench polisher. But adding the second bench to spread my work around will be just a dream come true. Okay, one side is done. Now we have to do another one. This is so easy, you guys. You don't need any power tools to put it together. You're using Allen keys, and I love it. Before fixing these screws completely over here, we need to put that over here in between these two parts first. So leave enough space so you can, there we go, put it in like that, okay? And now we can finish screwing this one on completely. This honestly is a pleasure. Just thrilled that I was just able to do it all by myself. I didn't need any help except for carrying it inside. Jarek has helped me. But as you can see, I'm just assembling it all by myself. All done. That's it. Wow, that is crazy. Okay, let's put it all together now. Let's go. It's heavy, but it's not that heavy. I can deal with it by myself. Yeah, before I put anything on top of it, I'm going to first put some felt protection on the legs so that it protects the floor. Oh, I love the shape of this drawer. Look, it has a little shelf. I think these are armrests that go on two sides. That's how it looks like, fully assembled. I know I keep raving about it, but I really do love it. It's so compact, but big enough, but at the same time small enough. Honestly, such a great little bench. And there's so much space on it, so much storage space. And it's very solid, even though you don't use power tools to assemble it. So I'm very excited to put it in place because I think that's where it's gonna go. Now I need to make some room. So now I will move this over there. Not too bad. Has two holes for working with manuals. Nice.